Boom! Boom! Friends, welcome back to Buzz Kitchen. This morning, we're going to make a very exciting recipe for you, which is biscuits, buttermilk biscuits. And these are the ingredients. Over here, we have self-rising flour, two cups. We have 5 tablespoons of butter. We have 2 cups of buttermilk. We have some honey, because we don't want to use any sugar, so we're going to substitute it with honey. There's a bus grater, we're going to use it to grate our butter. And then there's a biscuit cutter. We have our tray here to cook the biscuit. So without further ado, let's get started. So before you do everything, make sure everything is cold. You keep it very chill. So we're going to grate the butter. This has been chilled, very cold. We even chilled the flour as well. Put the flour in the fridge for a little while. So the best way is to grate your butter and incorporate it with your flour. It's the best way to go. Do not, because when you use your hand to mix the flour, and the butter, as people do in the flour, the heat from your hand most of the time will interfere and then make your cake too heavy. So now we're going to incorporate the butter into the flour. Now we'll cut it in with a fork. We don't want to use our hands because the heat from our hands might melt it and interfere with our process. So we'll cut it in with a fork. Make sure you mix it real good. Now, self-rising flour already have it's got salt in it, it's got baking soda, so you don't need to put it separate. It's already good to go. Okay, so now I think we're good. Now we can use our hand to mix it up a little bit. You want it to be crumbly. Yeah, we're good now. So now we can go ahead and introduce our buttermilk. Make a well in the middle of the pot, and then pour it in. Pour your buttermilk in there. And use your fork to mix it. Make sure you mix it. You don't need to over mix it. Do not over mix it, because if you want it to be tender, you don't want to over mix. Otherwise, your biscuit is going to be a little bit heavy. So we're going to put it on the counter and knead it. Okay, so now we'll introduce the honey. We'll put it in about maybe a tablespoon for sweetness, because we don't want to use sugar. Okay, so now mix it in. All right, it's all mixing. So now we'll mix our biscuit mixture. We have some flour on the counter. We're gonna go and knead it briefly. You don't need to over mix it, just brief. So here we go. Let's bring it all together. Knead it very briefly. Now, friends, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, like it, share, and hit the notification button, so you can always notification bell, so you can always get anything that I put out. You'll be the first to get it. Let's go and scrape this. Now let me get a scraper, bench scraper. All right, so moving along, you want a very delicate, fluffy biscuit. Don't want anything hard or too dense. So there's the kneading process. Just briefly. We're not gonna go too far. So now here, let's shape it. You shape it like this, and then what you need to do is fold it. Fold this side and fold that side, and then flip it around, push it up, and repeat it one more. I'm gonna do it 3 times. Okay, so one more time. Fold it one last time. Press it down and shape it. I'm gonna get it maybe about half an inch high, so that our biscuit will have some height to it. It's not gonna be. So now we're gonna cut it. Don't twist it, just press down. Press down. Press down. Press down. Baking tray. And put it on there. Get it a little bit closer. They need to be close to each other so that they can help it rise. Okay, so what we're gonna do, use this, reform this, and cut it. Reform this. All right, I think we'll get 2 out of this. And another way to preserve it, from what I've learned, put indentation on top of your biscuits. A little indentation. And then we're going to brush it with some of the buttermilk. Okay, the oven is set at 410 degrees. It's been preheated, so we'll put it in. All right, so now we're gonna let it bake for about 12 to 16 minutes, and we'll meet you on the other side when we're ready. Okay. All right, so the biscuits are out of the oven. We're gonna brush some butter over it, which is the usual process. We'll brush some butter. So let's see. Look at it. Wow, look at how fluffy. So fluffy and soft. That's what you want your biscuits to be. All right, so friends, give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell and share. Thank you for coming. Bye.